Next, two men from Cardiff have admitted plotting to smuggle cannabis into South Wales, disguised as scented candles. Mohammed Hussein and Abu Hussein, both aged 28, pleaded guilty to conspiracy to import Class B drugs at Newport Crown Court. They had earlier admitted to supplying cannabis. The court heard packages labelled as Yankee Candles arrived from California and New York and were intercepted at a Royal Mail depot in Barry. A police officer testified the parcels felt too light to contain candles and the addresses did not match the postcodes. The packages were vacuum sealed and intended for fake addresses across South Wales. Two other men, Sean Montgomery, aged 24, and Stephen Monroe, aged 44, deny the charges. Both Hussein men will be sentenced at a later date. Defence manufacturers in Wales are urging the UK government to direct some of its planned military spending increase to local industry. General Dynamics, which builds armoured vehicles in Merthyr Tydfil, says investment could help it expand and create new jobs. The company has produced over 100 Ajax vehicles, despite earlier delays, and employs more than 700 local workers. The Welsh Government says it will press UK ministers to invest in what it describes as a varied and vital defence sector. A couple from Cardiff are suing Cardiff and Vale Health Board after their newborn daughter died just 20 hours after birth. Lilwen Iris Thomas passed away due to complications during labour in October 2022 at University Hospital of Wales. Her parents, Emily Abrazier and Rodri Thomas, say she was left to labour alone despite the pregnancy being high risk. The Health Board has offered condolences and says it's fully participating in the ongoing inquest but will not comment further until it concludes. Plans to open a new inflatable water park at Cosmeston Lakes near Penarth this summer are facing local opposition. Aqua Park Group, which previously operated in Cardiff Bay, says it's worked with ecologists and will use only areas already approved for recreational use. Residents have raised concerns over water quality and disruption to local wildlife, including water voles. The Vale of Glamorgan Council says Natural Resources Wales has given the necessary permissions and insists the water voles live in a different part of the park. The attraction is due to open on the 5th of July and features slides and climbing frames for visitors.